When the PAT's anti-theft symbol is blinking continuously on the instrument cluster, it indicates that the immobilizer system is active and the vehicle is not allowing the engine to start. In this condition, the vehicle shows no crank and no start. When we connect the scan tool, there is no communication with the scanner, which means the PCM is not responding. First, check all related fuses. All fuses are found to be okay. Power supply is normal. Then inspect the CAN communication wires between modules. The CAN lines are in good condition. After that, check all vehicle grounds properly. Next, check the PCM relay and verify power supply to the PCM. Ground connections are also okay. Finally, after completing all basic inspections, we diagnosed the issue as a faulty PCM.